So now we are going to discuss about superconductor. Write notes on superconductors. Superconductors. When certain material taken to the low temperatures. So temperature reduce panna, the resistivity also decrease. In one particular low temperature, the resistivity become zero. That temperature is called critical temperature. And thereafter, once the resistivity becomes zero, the material become superconductor. That's all. What is superconductor? Write notes on superconductor. When certain material, when certain material taken to the very low temperatures, and certain material taken to the very low temperature, it loses its or very low temperature, it loses its resistance and become zero at certain temperature. That temperature is called critical temperature. When certain material taken to very low temperature, it loses its resistance or resistivity becomes zero. And become that temperature, that low temperature is called critical temperature. Okay. So thereafter the material is called, it is called superconductors. Superconductors அப்படின்னா வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. Its resistivity is zero. That's all. Resistivity becomes zero. That is called superconductor. When it happens, when you reduce the temperature, some material, good conductor, most of the good conductor, when you go very low temperature, resistivity will decrease. And in one particular low temperature, the resistivity becomes zero. That temperature is called critical temperature. Thereafter, the material is called superconductors. That's all. What is superconductor? When certain material taken to the low temperature, the resistance of the material decrease. And in one particular temperature, the resistivity becomes zero. That temperature is called critical temperature. Thereafter, the material is called superconductors. That's all.